Hi class 6. I hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to revise our chapter 3 plant growth. As you can see that your assignment 2 is in the form of MCQs. In first MCQs it is asked sweet potato stores starch in its root, stem or seed. So recall that chapter. You will get to know that sweet potato stores food which is starch in its root. Next is where do rice grows well in that soil. You know that rice need a lot of water to grow. So clay is the soil that retains water best. So it means rice grows best in clay soil. What is the meaning of photo in science? Photo means light. Photosynthesis occurs in chloroplast, nucleus, or cell wall. You know that chlorophyll is needed by the plant to capture sunlight, and chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. Name products of respiration. Respiration products are the raw materials of photosynthesis. So it means that the products of respiration are carbon dioxide and water, as plant need these two materials to carry out photosynthesis. Number 6 is what processes do plants carry out? So plant carry out photosynthesis as well as respiration. Photosynthesis take place only in the presence of sunlight, while respiration take place all the time. Next is the main task of stomata. Means what is the function of stomata? It intakes carbon dioxide and release oxygen, or B part it take and release only carbon dioxide, or C part release of oxygen only. You know that stomata are present on the underside of the leaf and they are meant for the exchange of gases, both carbon dioxide as well as oxygen. Number 8 is insectivorous plants usually grow in soil with poor nutrients. Hence, they get nutrients to grow healthily by they trap insect, they absorb more water, or by the movement of leaves. So they get nutrients by trapping insects as they grow in the soil which is poor in nutrients. In photosynthesis, sugar is made by plants by using food, oxygen, or sunlight. Without sunlight, photosynthesis cannot take place. So, sunlight is the best option. The product of photosynthesis are sugar, oxygen, starch, oxygen, water, or starch. You know that during photosynthesis, plant make food and they give out oxygen. And the food made by the plant is in the form of sugar. Stomata are present on the underside of flower, fruit, or leaf. Carnivorous plants include rose, jasmine, or pitcher plant. There are two carnivorous plants which are well known. One is the pitcher plant and the other one is the Venus flytrap. What is the meaning of synthesis? Synthesis means in which smaller parts are put together to make something big or complex. Very less plants grow in clay because it has less amount of air in it, as its particles are tightly packed together, so less air content is present in clay soil, so that's why less plants grow in it. Partially or wholly decayed plant or animal is called humus. Food produced by farms without using chemical fertilizer and pesticides, they are called organic food. Plant whose roots are immersed in nutrients rich solution, it is called hydroponic, as in case of aeroponic, plants roots are exposed to air. Number 18th is plant having two halves which snap shut on contact with insect is called Venus flytrap. Chemical fertilizers, they are made with various mineral salts which are essential for plant growth as well as healthy roots. Now next question is how can you make compost in your garden? You can get help from your book page number 65. As you can see here, the boys, they have dig a hole in the ground and then they dump vegetable peels, fruit peels, tea leaves, dead leaves, glass clippings, and then they are tossing up the soil to aerate the compost. By this way they can make compost. Next question is why plant need water to grow well? For its answer you can get help from book page number 67. Plant need water because water is the raw material of photosynthesis. It keeps plant firm. It transport material. It dissolve minerals and food. And for many essential life processes, plant need water.